A growth index of small and medium-sized businesses was launched in Johannesburg today. Research specialist SBP says it will prove vital in understanding how small businesses operate and respond to the business environment. Small and medium businesses make up 68% of all private employment and over 70% of all hiring in the country.
Small and medium businesses employing between 10 and 50 workers create a large portion of jobs in the country. The newly launched SME Growth Index will measure and monitor the growth dynamics of SMEs in this critical sector of the country's economy. The index will hone in on a random sample of 500 potentially high-growth companies from Johannesburg, Durban and Cape Town over a period of several years. For all the enthusiasm that supporting small business generates, there is little empirical research on the drivers of SME growth.
They estimate between 250 to 600,000 firms contributing upwards of 50% to our GDP. Looking at how these firms manage the characteristics of impacts of the regulatory environment, how they look at risk and innovation and competition. So the index is going to really surface an enormous amount of very important information to try and identify those priorities that we need to look at.
The index aims to present policymakers and strategists in government and the private sector with real examples of how SMEs deal with skills shortages, competition and market expansion, as well as providing vital information to nurture and breed high-growth SMEs that will play a role in achieving government's job growth plan. If 5 million jobs are to be created over 10 years, South Africa's SMEs, in especially manufacturing and business services, need a 40% growth rate. Natasha Landman, Business News, Johannesburg.